Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return in KDK software. First, launch the KDK software and choose the relevant assessment year. Next, you'll either create a new client file or open an existing one to start your tax preparation. Then, proceed directly to the income tax return section. This initial setup ensures all subsequent steps are correctly linked to the right taxpayer and period, making the process smooth and efficient for you. Now, let's move to data entry. Carefully input all personal details, including your permanent account number and current address. Next, enter your income from every source, whether it's salary, income from house property, or business profits. Don't forget to add all applicable deductions under various sections, such as 80C and 80D, ensuring you have the necessary supporting documents. Accuracy here is crucial for correct tax calculation. Once your data is entered, the KDK software will automatically calculate your total tax liability. Take your time to thoroughly review the generated tax summary for any discrepancies or errors. It's essential to verify all the data you've entered against your original documents, like Form 16 or bank statements, to ensure everything is perfectly accurate. This step helps prevent future issues and ensures compliance. Finally, it's time to e-file. Generate the XML file for your income tax return directly from the KDK software. Then, log into the official income tax e-filing portal and upload this XML file. After successful submission, remember to download the acknowledgement receipt for your records. This completes your filing process. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Congratulations on successfully filing your income tax return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.